You need some help installing BlueDevil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Welcome back to the BlueDevil Products Garage. Today we got something sweet for you. It's going to help you a lot too. It's the BlueDevil Radiator Flush and Oil Degreaser. Now it contains everything you need to keep your cooling system free of deep buildup and keep your engine running smooth. Now the application of this product couldn't be simpler, couldn't be easier. Anybody can do it. First thing you need to do is locate the radiator cap. Now this is important. Do not remove the radiator cap when the engine is hot. Your system is under a lot of pressure, right? And that coolant is extremely dangerous. It's volatile, it blows up. It's terrible, right? So let it cool to avoid any injury. Now, starting with that cool engine, remove the radiator cap, open the drain cock, and drain the cooling system. Collect all that used antifreeze for disposal, all right? You want to be proper about it. And when disposing of your used antifreeze or your coolant, make sure you follow all the local laws and regulations for recycling. Now, once drained, you want to close the radiator drain cock, okay? And then add BlueDevil Radiator Flush and Oil Degreaser. Now you top off the cooling system with water, obviously, and replace the radiator cap. Now this product services up to 12 quarts. So what you want to do after you get it in, start the engine and run the heater on max for about 20 minutes or so. Now for deeper radiator clean, drive your vehicle for 1 to 2 hours. The product can remain inside your system for up to 4 hours. So don't let the cooling temperature get, below 32 degrees. Water freezes at 32 degrees. You wouldn't want that to happen. Now, when the treatment time is up, you just turn off your engine and allow it to cool. Once again, allow it to cool. That's important. Now, once it's cooled, flush the cooling system thoroughly with water until all this cleaner is removed. Close the drain and install the required amount of new antifreeze or coolant. Replace the cap, and my friend, you're ready to hit the road. Your cooling system is now ready to perform at optimum safe levels. Drive your life and live leak-free. See you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the BlueDevil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.